Top 5 Best Racing Cars for Kids and Adults. Powerful engine, legendary fast RC cars for adults and kids. 4x4, off-road remote control car, battery-powered, hobby-grade, waterproof monster RC truck. Toys and gifts for boys, girls and teens. Blue, yellow. Hi. Welcome my friends. Brushed motor. The wound wire coils in the engine of this RC car act as a 2-pole electromagnet for high-powered speeds of up to 31 miles per hour. Powered by lithium rechargeable batteries for 40 minutes of juice. Easy maneuverability. The easy-to-use, 2-speed remote control offers a comfortable grip and long-range handling of up to 250 feet. These high-octane toys for boys and men deliver enduring, adrenaline-fueled fun. Go off-road. Whether you're steering on sand, concrete, or going rogue, this waterproof remote control monster truck is built to withstand rugged surfaces with expert grip, operation, and durability. Cool gifts. If you're looking for the ultimate in fun gifts for teenage boys, girls, guys, and just about everyone, you're looking at it. These must-have Christmas gifts are ready to roll. Ride with us. This remote-controlled car is good to go right out of the box. For other user manual info, check out our tech specs below. In case of a breakdown, get in touch, and we'll be happy to help. Long-lasting batteries. Get ready to drive harder and go the distance with the legendary RC truck. Every vehicle comes with 2 rechargeable batteries, designed for double the trailblazing fun. You can get the product through the link below the video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button to get the latest offers. Thank you.